Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use partial match in XLOOKUP. So here's my term which has some words which contains APP and other words are different. So we're going to use two formulas here to extract different results. First I'm going to use the XLOOKUP. So I'm going to write the formula for XLOOKUP and then select the search key. So usually we directly select the cell number or cell range for the search query, but here in this partial match we're not going to do that. We're going to do is APP. So I'm going to write it down so that it matches with the exact name. So I'm going to write APP and then asterisk, okay, which means that include this as a search, and then I'm going to look for the lookup range and the result range. Right now I'm going to tell what if there is no value, it should reflect as an A, and then I'm going to use match mode as 2 because this is for partial match. So how I figured it out is from here you have like search key, lookup range, result range, missing value we have added. Now its turn is match mode. 0 is for exact match, 1 for exact match or the next value which is bigger than the search key, -1 for exact match or the next value which is lower than the search key, and the 2 for a wildcard match. This is usually going to use for the partial match. Now I'm going to close the parenthesis and I'm going to hit the enter. Now you can see I got one result which has a partial match. So APP has like in this row which has a value of 10, but the problem is I also have other rows which also contain APP, but it is not calling it out. Even if I drag this, it's not going to work because let's lock this range to be precise, right? Okay, now if I drag, it is not going to work because always it shows like 10, so that is not going to work. So now we're going to use the filter function for the partial match. Filter, and then I'm going to select the range, and then I'm going to use another function which is regex match to extract the partial match words. So I'm going to select the range where I want regex match to be run. Then I'm going to write double quotes and then caret APP and then close the parenthesis. So now I'm going to tell you what is happening here. So the regex match is actually including APP in all the words, and it goes to check which words has APP in the beginning. So that's how it's going to check, and then it gives to the filter, and the filter will filter it out all the words which are starting with APP. So this means the beginning word which contains APP. So as you can see, all the words which has APP in the beginning is pulled out here. You can check the last one as APP and it has 170, and then after that we have 130 which is app development. So this is how you can use both the functions. If you want just one search query from your term, then use XLOOKUP. If you want all the results from your table, then there's the best function to use. So thank you so much for watching.